France and Switzerland, March 31, 2023. Storm Mathis hits the UK and France with 100 miles per hour winds, knocking down trees and sending out a weather warning. Since the Met Office sent out a weather warning last night, the weather has been very bad. High winds and heavy rain are hitting most of the southern coast of England and Wales. After the storms, hundreds of homes in Cornwall were left without power. Storm Mathis brought strong winds and heavy rain to the area. At Gwennap Head, near Penzance, gusts of up to 150 km per hour, 93 miles per hour, were seen. Engineers fixed up more than 500 homes and businesses across the county, though some still didn't have power. In another part of the county, the Kernow weather team measured wind speeds of 150 km per hour, 93 miles per hour, at Gwennap Head. A storm in northern France caused a tree to fall on a man, killing him. The Pas-de-Calais department is still on orange alert because of Storm Mathis. The accident happened today in Sinans at a rest stop along a highway. Météo France send out yellow and orange storm alerts in 80 departments across the country. The tree fell on the man while he was strolling near his car. Firefighters and an emergency helicopter was sent, but he was pronounced dead at the scene. Storm Mathis has already moved across the country and caused damage in other states, especially in Indiana. The mairie in Buzankais said there was a tornado, and 55 firefighters were sent to help with problems like downed trees, broken roofs, and damaged chimneys. In the village of Saint-Jean-de-Sauve in Vienne, several homes and businesses lost their roofs after a tornado. There was also damage to a home for seniors and a school. Not one person was hurt. It was brutal. The tornado only lasted about 30 seconds, but people reacted quickly and stayed in their homes, which stopped any more big problems from happening. Pas-de-Calais is still on orange alert, which is the second worst level. On the coast, winds could gust up to 110 km per hour, 68 miles per hour, or even 120 km per hour, 75 miles per hour. In Switzerland, two regional trains derailed almost at the same time late Friday afternoon in different parts of the canton of Bern. Several people were hurt. The RBS company said that gusts of wind were likely to blame for the accident.